Alright guys, so today's project that we're working on, or we're gonna get started today at least, is this corner of the yard, as you've seen in previous videos, tends to get flooded. And the top, probably a couple inches of the soil are really good. Water drains through well, but you get about 10 inches down, maybe a foot deep, and it kind of gums up, and a lot of the moisture tends to puddle in the area. So when we get rains, or we get rain and the irrigation runs, a lot of times we'll get flooding in here because water just doesn't want to drain through that sort of that hard pan. So what I'm working on today is I'm going to try and do some vertical drainage, dig down through that hard pan, put in a rock drainage system just to help these low areas that tend to get flooded a little bit more than the rest of the yard. I'm trying to get these cleaned up here and hopefully draining them a little bit better. So we'll see what we can do. May work, may not work, but we'll give it a shot. Let's go. So, kind of hard to see, but we're definitely over a foot down, and it is compact, and I wouldn't necessarily say it's clay, but it is some compact dirt that does not want to drain. It holds its moisture really well, so that's what we're trying to get through. Get a little bit deeper and put some rock in there to help with drainage. The puppy, of course, is interested in eating all the dirt and seeing what we're doing, so he's my helper today. couple hours later, it's nighttime, as you can see. But off camera, I did work on digging this out a little bit more, as best as I could. Got down quite a ways here, as you can see. Pretty good, a little over 2 feet, I think, on the post hole digger. And I'll put a tape measure down, see how far we got. Closer more to 20 inches actually, not 2 feet, but not too shabby. I think that's pretty good. The ground down there got really hard and compact. It was a struggle to get any more dug out without like a ton of effort. Really pounding it with the post hole digger, trying to get material out of there. So I think we're pretty good. We can call it okay with that. I am going to put in a secondary vertical drain on the other side here in this rock area, just to kind of help both areas. See how it goes. So something's better than nothing, but we'll give it a shot. So I'm going to get some fabric material. I got some rock we're going to put down in there as well. And that's going to be kind of the basis of the drain. And we'll get that filled up. It's going to be below the surface, so the rock won't be at the surface line. We'll get that tidied up, tucked in, and then we'll fill it back in with soil on top so we have good growing surface for the grass still. Hopefully what the point of it will do is it'll capture surface water, funnel it down through the rock drain, and help it percolate out into the ground a little bit better versus sitting here on the surface. We'll pump it down into a better soil layer and get our topsoil here to dry a little bit quicker than we were having before. So let's grab that stuff and do it. So first up, I'm gonna put a little bit of this river rock just in the bottom of the hole. Very small amount. Just to line the bottom there. The helper would move out of the way. I'm gonna grab this woven fabric. Hey, don't hit the rock. Golly. And we'll get this. We're going to line the hole with this. Hopefully I cut enough off. Let's see. DIY in it here. So we're just shooting from the hip. Push that down in there. Fill this in. We're good. I lost it 11%. Oh, buddy, watch out. Okay, so. Watch out. Move out of the way. Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna basically burrito this rock in here. That way it stays nice and clean. And good filter sock. Hey, up, you're in the way. Go get your ball. Come here. Ready? Go. like a toddler. In and between. Watch out. All day long. And then we got that. Now we're gonna backfill. I would say we probably have, throw this down here. I want to say we have at least a good, probably 14-inch little filter going on right here. And more on top. Just to tidy things up, hold it all in place, and then that still gives us a good couple inches of soil. And then when I get things going a little bit better in the lawn again, I'm going to bring some more topsoil in and level stuff a little bit better, just to raise the height of this roundup over here. Just a hair. So let's get this filled back in. Not prepared, didn't grab the rake or anything like that. So I'm just use my hands right now. I'm gonna grab the rake. I'll grab it back. Raised up. Watch out, you're gonna get raked over. Well, I'm gonna call it good for tonight. We accomplished what we wanted to get accomplished. It's dark. I can't really see what I'm doing all that well, but we'll let this settle in. He's gonna use his new post hole chew toy, and we'll attach back up tomorrow. See how this works. Let it settle. Probably let it dry out for a little bit, because this, even though this has been sitting out for a day, a lot of this is really hard and there's a lot of moisture in it. So let it dry out and see what it does. Then we'll probably do a little test, put some water on here, and see how it works. Cool. Well, I appreciate everyone watching. I will definitely do a follow-up video here once this dries out for a couple days. Put some water on it, see how it works, and yeah, we'll go from there. But appreciate you guys watching, and come along with me on a DIY little project on getting some vertical drainage done in my yard. I don't really have the ability to run channel drains or French drains or anything like that, just the way the yard slope to the property is. But vertical drainage is something I found online. Thought I'd give it a shot. So there we go. Catch you guys next time.